This will be short today. It's Wednesday. This is actually, we are in week 3, and this is day 7. Introduction to Computers and Information System. We did some group work. Really didn't get going on word processing yet. Did a little bit of review, and then the students took the skills-based test. Alright. We talked a little bit about files being stored in storage. And then we talked about files being stored on a server. And how this here, how these communicate on the bus, then to the switch and to the server. We talked a little bit about the internet. We talked about that. And again, files being stored at Google, files being stored at Canvas. Did how we can connect to these various websites via the internet. So we did some group work in class. The students turned that work in, and then they did the skills-based assessment on information, communication, technology. And then that was it. On to Unit 2.